Hey guys, welcome back to Affinity Tutorials Hub, and today's video is going to be extremely important, especially if you're starting your design journey with Affinity by Canva. Now listen, if you're an experienced designer, or if you've used software like Photoshop, Illustrator, CorelDRAW, or even Canva before, then of course many of these tools will already look familiar to you. But if you're completely new, then stay with me from the beginning till the end, because I'm going to walk you through every single part of the interface in a way that makes everything super easy to understand. So keep your attention on your screen. Let's get started. Alright, so the first thing you see when you open Affinity by Canva is the home interface or dashboard. Here you get everything you need to start your design smoothly. You'll see templates in, portrait, landscape, square, social media formats, document, and print sizes. These help you instantly choose the perfect canvas without guessing measurements. Right below, you'll find Affinity's official tutorials. You can download and learn vector basics, color use, layers, editing techniques. If you want full control, you can create your own canvas. You can set width, height, DPI, units, pixels, inches, centimeters, etc. Your recently opened files appear here for quick access. This is your starting point, and now let's move inside the workspace. When you open any design file, you enter the main workspace. It has three major sections you must understand. 1. Tool panel. This is where all your design tools live. Some essential ones include Move tool for selecting and repositioning objects, Pen tool for creating clean vector shapes, Pencil tool for freehand drawing, Shape builder tool, combine shapes easily, Artistic text tool for stylish text, Frame text tool for paragraphs, Place tool to import images, Zoom tool to zoom in, out. 2. Canvas area. This is your main workspace where the real magic happens. Here you will design, place objects, edit shapes, type text, apply effects, everything. 3. Adjustment panel section. Here you get Layers panel, Color panel, Transform panel, Effects, Properties, History, Navigator. You can also drag these panels anywhere. Affinity gives complete flexibility. Let's move to the top, the menu bar. We'll only focus on the most important options beginners must know. File menu, New, Ctrl+N, Open, Ctrl+O, Save, Ctrl+S, Edit menu, Undo, Ctrl+Z, Redo, Ctrl+Shift+Z, Cut, Copy, Paste, Preferences, important for shortcuts and performance, View menu, Show rulers, Show grid, Show guides, Snapping options, Zoom levels, Window menu, Panels visibility, History, Navigator, Reset Studio workspace, very important. Next we have Toolbar. This part is one of the most powerful sections in Affinity. Vector mode, use this for clean, sharp shapes, logos, icons, illustrations. Vector remains sharp at any size. Pixel mode, use this when you want. Brushes, textures, retouching, soft edges. Pixel mode is like Photoshop style editing. Layout mode, here you get grids, guides, column layouts, margins, snapping options, perfect for poster, magazine, or social media layout work. Canva AI tools. This panel includes AI background removal, AI image suggestions, auto enhancement, AI color match. 3 dots, menu. This opens advanced settings like customizing toolbar, showing, hiding, preference shortcuts. Affinity logo, home button. Clicking this instantly takes you back to the main home screen. Very useful for switching projects quickly. Status bar, bottom area. At the bottom of your screen, you'll see the status bar. It shows what your current tool is doing. Adjustment panel, detailed. Now let's break down the right side panels properly. Layers panel, organize objects, rename layers, group layers, lock and hide layers, add layer masks. This is the backbone of clean design workflow. Color panel, here you can change fill color, stroke color, opacity, gradient, HSL sliders, palettes. Effects panel, add shadows, glows, blurs, bevels, and more. Transform panel, set exact, width, height, angle rotation, X and Y position. This ensures perfect accuracy in layout design. Navigator, zoom in, out quickly, move around the canvas without dragging. History panel shows every action you have done. You can go back to any previous step instantly. Very useful. Alright guys, so this was the complete Affinity by Canva interface and workspace breakdown. Now you should have a clear understanding of every panel, every section, and how to navigate this software like a confident beginner. If you found this helpful, make sure you like the video, share it with your designer friends, and subscribe to Affinity Tutorials Hub for more professional Affinity lessons. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Take care and keep designing.